We're going to tear down the Masterlock Bluetooth padlock. The padlock must be destructively disassembled, either by drilling the rivets, which is difficult, or drilling around the rivets with a hole saw, which is much easier. Once you remove the 4 rivets, you'll see the locking mechanism inside. There's a camming surface that rubs against 2 cylinders that sit into concavities in the shackle. When that camming surface is pushed up, and a piece of metal is rotated in by the motor, the lock will not open. When the motor reverses and removes a blocking cam, then it's able to push down. The 2 cylinders move in and out of the concavities, and the shackle can be removed. To access the electronics, remove the 2 screws in the upper corners of the lock. If you don't want to lose the pieces, set them aside now. They'll fall out when you turn it over. With the screws removed, you can push the motor through, and you'll get the electronic module. There's a small piece that activates a switch to let the lock know when it's open, a set of pins for testing the circuit before assembly, the 4 buttons that you can push to activate the lock, the 2 microcontrollers that control it. To learn more about the microchips used in this circuit, please see the article that accompanies this video.